what's up? Theo, up so early.
Thanks to my special alarm.
Special.
It asks you a question and it won't stop ringing until you give the right answer.
That is demonic. So, any idea how it works?
Okay. It asks me a question, so we surely use a print command to display the message. Next, it gives me an option to type my answer, which means we use input to get the answer.
Good observation. What happens next?
Okay, when I enter an answer, it simply checks if my answer is right or wrong.
Alright. So, what happens when your answer is right?
Oh, it stops annoying me with any more questions and displays a success message.
Else?
What else?
Oh, silly. What happens when the answer is wrong?
It keeps asking me to try again until I get the answer right.
I guess he's ready to program his own alarm.
Obviously, I'm so excited. It's my first loop program. I will need a... Guys, I will need your help.
Don't worry, we're here. What was the first thing that you saw on the clock?
The question. Oh, got it. Next, the program needs an answer. So, we'll use input here.
After that,
Now, we'll write the condition to start the loop.
Right. And what's the condition?
The alarm kept on repeating until I answered correctly.
So,
If my answer is not equal to the correct answer, the loop continues.
Well done. Let's march ahead.
When the answer is wrong, it displays this message. What now?
Think what happened next.
It asked me the question again. Oh! By the way, Zog, I can add multiple instructions to my loop, right?
Yes, of course.
Alright, now Mr. Python will need an answer for the question. So... what do you think?
run and learn, bud.
Let me give a wrong answer and see what happens. It's working fine. I made my first loop program.
not so fast, Theo. Did you forget what happened when you answered right?
Uh-oh, my bad. It displayed. Here, it's done.
So learning well, little brother?
Uh-huh. And I'm sleeping with a calculator from tonight.